Welcome to our full review of Marmalead, the ultimate tool for Etsy sellers looking to enhance their visibility and sales. In this video, we'll dive deep into what Marmalead is and how it can help you dominate the Etsy market. First up, let's explore Marmalead's key features. It excels in keyword research, in-depth market analysis, and powerful SEO tools to help you strategically position your products. Now, let's take a closer look at pricing. Marmalead offers various subscription options designed to fit different needs, from casual sellers to serious entrepreneurs. One of the biggest pros to using Marmalead is how it enhances visibility and sales for Etsy sellers. From tailored keyword suggestions to an intuitive interface, it empowers sellers like never before. However, it's not all perfect. There are some limitations we need to discuss, areas where Marmalead could improve to better serve users. Let's hear from real users. We gathered testimonials from Etsy sellers who have used Marmalead and transformed their businesses. Next, we'll compare Marmalead with other available tools in the market. How does it stack up against the competition? Let's find out. Looking ahead, we're excited about potential future updates and features Marmalead is planning for 2025. Here's what you can expect. In conclusion, Marmalead is a powerful tool for those serious about growing their Etsy businesses. If you're looking to improve your product visibility and sales, it may be just what you need.